Almost 46 cities have participated in it, different timings, different places, but it's a nationwide protest for the dogs, for our community dogs.
Make more posters. I've got papers. I've got papers. You wanna write? I also have chart paper. Okay, so if somebody wants to write.
देखिए, कोई ऑडिट नहीं हुआ है और किसी को पता ही नहीं है कितने कुत्ते हैं। सिर्फ हम जो कुछ लोग हैं जो कुत्तों को खाना खिलाते हैं, कुत्तों का ध्यान रखते हैं, वैक्सीनेट करते हैं, स्टेरिलाइज करते हैं अपनी पॉकेट से। हम ही जानते हैं कि इस एरिया में इतने कुत्ते हैं, उधर इतने कुत्ते हैं। तो कुत्ते तो देखिए होंगे जब तक हमें बड़ी गवर्नमेंट के साथ अगर हम मिलके काम करें और गवर्नमेंट हमारे साथ मिलके काम करे तो हम ये प्रॉब्लम को घटा सकते हैं। और शिलोंग एक एग्जाम्पल बन सकता है पूरे देश के लिए कि अगर साथ में मिलके गवर्नमेंट और लोग काम करें तो हर एक प्रॉब्लम का सलूशन मिल सकता है।
Yeah, I have got a trainer. I've got a trainer for my pet. I put him for 3 months. Train him. Just basic training. This is what is needed. You know, you can't just expect the dog to be. And I've seen in Shillong people fancy breeds. Even I have a breed. They fancy a breed. That's just to show. And that the breed, you see, I have seen a husky on the road. I've seen a canine. That's not how you treat a dog, man.
I
have any feeding zone also. Right?
No feeding zones as well. I am the individual feeder out here, Seoul in the city. I try to cover as many places as I can, and we are feeding. It's been 9 years now, since 2017 we started, and it's 9 years now. We feed, we treat on spot, we rescue critical cases, we sterilize, we vaccinate, and even we take critical cases at home which cannot survive outside. Maybe it's an abandonment case or a critical case, or maybe rescued from the dog meat trade, as it is quite random here.
While it is very unfortunate, whoever parents and families that have lost their family members due to a dog bite, it is very, very unfortunate. And same is the case with the dog race. Any kind of life, be it human, be it animals, it is precious. And अगर कुछ dog के काटने के वजह से किसी इंसानों की जान गई है, and for that reason the entire dog race उनको हटा दिया जाए, it is quite unfair. अगर इंसान के साथ भी कंपेयर करते ये चीज़, इफ सम ह्यूमन हैव डन सम मिस्टेक, या फिर चलो लेट्स टेक रेप केस फॉर दैट मैटर, you will not clear the entire country and you will not empty the entire country, right? So is the case with dogs. I think we as human beings, we are very, very intellectual. भगवान ने हमें वो एक शक्ति दी है कि हम बहुत क्रिएटिव तरीके से सोच सकते हैं, and for every problem there is a solution.
Oy sengbo, chaani ko apsan to chi jo thai thai na skang sengbo. Yan nang ni BNB mangna arwan chini samthang thang na namja. Anda kapat ko chaani chi dengtang sabisi ko manama. Yan da kapat horang ko basa ko ba di jakal na paltaya, suegala, arunala rango pakegala. Diba daude? Ruko, ya repurpose use cooking oil ni skimo, ya toko biodiesel tari nagta jakal gen. Unigaman, sengbo, antang ni BNB mang, arunang ni samthang tang ko name rakibo.